Airline notification. Looks like. Yeah. Here, let me put WHC on here too. Oh, that's great.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, eastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania,
Oh, God.
Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Zionsville to Ambler, moving north at 70 miles per hour.
70!
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
God.
Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Lansdale, Forks, East Norton, Emmaus, Northampton, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Durham, Wilson, Hatboro, Souderton, Bedminster, Washington, Ambler, and Hellertown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 334 and 342. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 57. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 54 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 23. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 305 and 310. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for northwestern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room.
In case you're wondering, I turned KH35 on too, just in case we'd get something.